Escaping Retaliation, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, escape retaliation. This expression can be quite powerful in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to escape retaliation, how it's used, and some examples to clarify its usage. The phrase, escape retaliation, consists of two key words, escape and retaliation. To escape means to avoid or get away from something, especially a dangerous or undesirable situation. Retaliation, on the other hand, refers to the act of returning a military, verbal, or physical action against someone who has done something harmful or offensive. When we combine these words, escape retaliation means to avoid or get away from an act of revenge or response to an initial offense or harm. Escape retaliation can be used in various contexts, ranging from everyday situations to more serious and formal discussions. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. In personal disputes, after the argument, she tried to apologize to escape retaliation from her friend. In professional settings, the company implemented new policies to ensure that whistleblowers could escape retaliation from management. In international relations, the smaller nation sought diplomatic solutions to escape retaliation from its more powerful neighbor. Each example shows a different scenario where the phrase can be effectively used, highlighting the versatility of escape retaliation in English communication. When using the phrase escape retaliation, it's important to consider the context and the tone of the conversation. Here are a few tips. Be clear about the context. Ensure that the situation you're referring to involves an act of retaliation that one wishes to avoid. Understand the tone. This phrase can sometimes carry a serious or formal tone, especially in discussions about conflict or wrongdoing. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, escape retaliation, and how to use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning phrases like this can add depth to your language skills and help you communicate more effectively in various situations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips. Happy learning!